Let's try and understand why you cough every time you lie down. Coughing due to lying down can happen either if you have a nasal congestion causing a postnasal drip of the sputum, or you have bronchitis which is causing a tightness in your chest middle of the night causing you to cough and be breathless, or there could be a heart condition causing heart failure and what we call as orthopnea leading to fluid buildup or congestion in the lungs. If you are experiencing coughing during lying down, make sure you get this checked by your doctor and rule out 3 of these most common causes.